Right now I'm on my way to check out a new one. I have two projects in the area, one a block north and another one a block west of here. Right now I'm on my way to check out a new industrial logistics distribution type project here in the Inland Empire by the name of the Grove, Ontario Commerce Center. Now, what makes this project really interesting to me is I have two projects in the area, one a block north and another one a block west of here. And once this project either sells or leases and I get the comps on it, that will give me a really good indication of what my project is going to be worth upon completion. So let's go take a look at the Grove, Ontario Commerce Center and see what it's all about. This is the Grove, Ontario Commerce Center. Located in Southern California's logistics and distribution hub, the Inland Empire, the Grove, Ontario Commerce Center is one of the newest industrial developments in the region. Welcome to the Building Better Development Spotlight. Grove, Ontario is currently building phase 2 of this 4-building industrial project. Located on arguably one of the most sought after streets in the Inland Empire, Grove Avenue. This 4-building project being built on over 15 acres has 4 freestanding buildings ranging from 52,000 square feet to over 118,000 square feet, which is the largest building in the project. Grove Avenue is your standard concrete tilt-up construction. I'll definitely do a video on that soon documenting the tilt-up construction process. Now let's get inside the buildings and some of the features. Grove, Ontario was designed and built with 32-foot clear heights for warehousing high-pile racking, 130-foot truck courts for semi-maneuverability, and ESFR, early suppression, fast response fire sprinkler systems. An abundance of dog-high loading doors, 1200 amp electrical service, and the options for a second-story mezzanine office space. The project's location allows for direct freeway access via Grove Avenue, allowing for ease of access for semi-trucks for local, regional, and national distribution channels. It is also located only a mile away from the Ontario Airport, which has major FedEx and UPS air hubs. EBS Realty Partners in Newport Beach is a developer on the project. Phase 1 has just been completed and Phase 2 will be completed in early 2023. Like, comment, and share down below and let me know what developments you'd like me to showcase next. My name is Ahmed and I build better.